lead, we make winners who lead.
Now, in this video, we are going to discuss a main mat question which was asked recently. And this question is based on permutation and combination, and it is very simple question. So you can answer this question in 10 seconds if you know the basic concepts. See the question now. 7 books are to be arranged in such a way that 2 particular books are always at first and last place. Find the number of arrangement. So how many books are there? 7 books. Let us keep 7 places. Okay, 7 places. In that, let us take the 2 particular books are A and B, right? So let us assume that A always takes the first place and B always takes the last place. Okay. And now, remaining how many books are there? 5 books and 5 places are there, right? Remaining 5 books and 5 places are there. So 5 factorial is your answer. Okay, so what is the value of 5 factorial? It is 120. See, note down the values of 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1 and 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, 2. And 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, 6. And 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 6 fours are 24. And 5 factorial, 120. 6 factorial, 720. Okay, and then 7 factorial, 5040. And 8 factorial, 40,320. So these are the values you should know while solving the questions based on permutation and combination. So memorize these values. It is very simple. So once you repeatedly go through this concept, definitely it will be very easy. And see, the concept behind this is I have 5 books and I need to place 5 books in 5 places. Okay. So permutation and combination. That is, it comes under the topic permutation. What is permutation? Permutation involves selection as well as arrangement. Okay, permutation involves selection as well as arrangement. So what is NPN? NPN is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That is NPR, where n stands for number of things to be selected, r stands for N stands for number of things available and R stands for number of things to be selected. And here I have 5 books. I'm going to select all the 5 books. So NPN. So NPN is equal to n factorial by n minus n factorial. So n factorial by 0 factorial. So what is n factorial by 0 factorial? N factorial is your answer. Okay, 0 factorial is nothing but 1. Okay, so remember these formulas. Definitely it will help you to crack the permutation and combination part. It is a very simple question. Okay, right? All the best, students. Hello, students. Don't forget to join our free online guidance webinar conducted by Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA course in Coimbatore district. This webinar is to be held on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. So I will provide you the link for this webinar in the description box. Kindly enroll through the link provided in this description box. Definitely you're going to get number of questions, important questions and tips and tricks to approach the mathematical intelligence part as well as data analysis part. Don't forget to join our webinar on May 26th, Friday at 7 o'clock. Are you still afraid of scoring 550 plus in the upcoming MAT examination? Don't worry. Join our 10-day MAT crash course.
Learn to lead, we make winners who lead.